Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 308 SW in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower and a 6-speed manual gearbox. Outside the car you've got this lovely panoramic glass roof. You get full LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. Is one of our former demonstrators and it's done less than 8,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.